Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Bosch 655 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 655 liters, compressor type, inverter compressor, defrosting type, frost-free. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type side by side refrigerator type, side by side refrigerator. Defrosting type frost free. Number of doors 2. To the warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor from Bosch. Cost price 1,10,499 rupees only. Friends, to purchase this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my DreamView channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.